We have two firewalls here, which will have to be connected or one of them removed. After all the mess I endured, the first thing I started with was the firewall. I drilled all the spot welds on the original MG's firewall to get rid of it. Then the MX5's firewall needed to be extended to meet with the upper element. The bonus here was that the Miata was right-hand drive, so I had to transplant a section of the firewall to make it left-hand drive. I made a new upper firewall from panels that connect the MG body to the MX5's firewall. The panels were then TIG welded, and the entire element was to be spot welded in place later on. Firewall is right here, TIG welded from 4 or 5 pieces. It's not finished yet, but watch the full build here.